So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Voina I general nulai part 4 kan discuss dona. Tuntleng part 3 ka siam to part pathum ka siam to ka question te hi antenan question pakhata hian option pali oma ka theng berin explain te ka tum thina answer ka ju ka shil nge thin chewa option pathum dang te po explain ka tum thina ka channel hi subscribe ula chuan a notification bell ka on nge ula notification in don thenan. Question number 1 kan start nga question somru kan entwa mine video pathuma somni thau oma ka question somni hi somriat anganita changjan mo a answer ti lo option pathum te po explain le shilfia hi katum thin chewa information mo pe katum thin chewa. So now question number 1, the first battle of Panipat was fought between Ibrahim Lodi and Kumsang Kadzangale somni paruka khan anita first battle of Panipat chu tule tu inkar nge declination period of Lodi dynasty pon china. First battle of Panipat tichuan Ibrahim Lodi le Babar inkar and fight tani. Ibrahim Lodi kha Lodi dynasty minya chun Babar hi Mughal dynasty minta heta trang hian Mughal dynasty kha powara a omta a. Battle of Panipat hi voithum anin belta a. First battle of Panipat ania second battle ania third battle inta. First battle of Panipat tichuan 21st April Kumsang khatle zanga somni paruka 1526. Second tichuan 5th November chuan 1556 kumsom thum nuwa. Chuan third battle of Panipat tichuan 14 November 1761. Tuna tule tu inkar nge tichuan first battle kha Ibrahim Lodi le Babar inkar anita a. Second battle tichuan Hemu le Akbar inkar ania. Chuna pathum na chu Abdali le Marathas inkara. First battle ahan tunge chakti chuan Babara chaka. Second battle tunge chakti chuan Akbara achaka. Chuna pathum na third battle tunge chakti chuan Abdali akha chak. Hemi poi question om china. Who is the establisher of Mughal Empire in India tichuan chumi answer po chu Babar thawani dona achanju first Mughal Empire chu Babar ania chun first battle of Panipat Babaran Ibrahim Lodi ka defeat nuwa India rama chuan Mughal Empire aron built aron siam. Then a question number 2, in which year was the battle of Haldighati fought between Maharana Pratap and Akbar? Haldighati hi khoyange omti chuan Haldighati hi Rajasthana oma. Hemi Kumsang Kadzanga somsari paruk a an fight a. Question masazok kandis ka sangkhan Akbar kha Mughal Empire nta a. Third Mughal Empire nia Babar azwa Humayun zo khan Akbar ania apathumna nia. Akbar Mughal Empire nia chun Maharana Pratap hi Rana of Mewar ania Rajasthan minia. Chun question pakhatan siam le theichu anzo le theichu Battle of Haldighati a khan tunge Mughal Empire leader Man Singh one kha Mughal Empire leader neta maseng tu hun lai khan nge he battle hi took place tichuan Akbar kan tiang 63 omechu question number 3 voina question number 3 anita which of the following tribes defeated the Mughal rulers 17 times voisom pasari lai Mughal kha an ne tina chmo chu eng tribe nge Ahom sawen Mughal rulers takha voisom pasari lai an neya. Ahom kingdoms shimshim hi Brahmaputra Valley ya noma chon Brahmaputra Valley khoyange ti chon Asama. Ahom hi Assam ming hlui anita. Chuvan kan answer chu Ahoms. Maginot line exists between which two countries ti chon Maginot line country antinan country tihian hemi hi country pakhat nita se chon hemi hi country dang nita se aninkara hian border omthin aninkara an line omthin khami line khanita Maginot line inti hi Germany le Poland inkara order nise line oma order nise line chu Germany le Poland inkara nia USA le Canada inkara nge omti chon 49th parallel 49th parallel kantia chon North Korea le South Korea inkara engline nge omti chon 38th parallel oma chana to pange kanne France le Germany inkara ne Maginot line chu India le Pakistan inkar tita se India le Pakistan inkar tita se chuan India le China hemi atle me important ve dewa amasa India le Pakistan inkara chuan Red Cliff Line ania chuan apanina chu McMahon line hemi Indian and border and share na mun ming ania khami line khami divider ming anita. Question number 65 kanena nga tuna which of the following elements is a semiconductor? Semiconductor is single species element ania. Semiconductor is silicon ania, germanium ania, tin ania, Sn strontium kan tichin himo, selenium anita, tellurium poni boka. Silicon, germanium le strontium hi ju tin hi chu column 4 anita. Column 4 ami ania. Chuan selenium le tellurium hi column 6 anom periodic table. Hemi panga hi semiconductors ania. So kan answer chu aluminium anilawa hi chu metal ania. Silicon ania. Phosphorus le silver pon nilo. Kan answer chu silicon. The dimensional formula of pressure. Masabra pressure hi enge. Pressure is defined as the force applied on a particular surface area anita tro. A formula kan ziak patanga pressure equals to force by area anita tro. So masing force hi enge formula mass into acceleration by area. Area chu L square. So mass chu enge kg atnia tro. Acceleration hi enge acceleration ti chuan rate of change of velocity by time anita. Chuan velocity hi enge ti chuan distance by time anipoka. Distance chu meter ania by time chu second. So meter per second ania velocity meter per second ania. Chuan acceleration hi enge ni don meter per second ania. Anwaya t om chuan s om tin ania second. Hemi second hi chunga kal chuan enge m s minus 2 ni dona. So the unit of acceleration is ms minus 2 meter per second square divided by L chuange m square. So achunga m pakata oma anwaya m pani oma kan cancel nga enge bang don ta hian kg nia chan second to inverse nia chan by meter hemi kan simplify lenga kg s minus 2 chan m minus 1 kg yange m anita s yange t anita chan m hi L anita. Hemithili MLT pon kan dite ya MLT L minus 1 ania T minus 2. Hemithil hi omem. Hey, option number C. Question number 67. W. Roentgen received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery of ama sabera chuan hemi W hu anga ti chuan Wilhelm Roentgen aita aming pum chuan chumizwa ama hian enge a discover ti chuan radium hi tuin nge discover ti chuan Marie Curie ania chuan apasal tunge apasal kha Pierre Curie an mani hian an discover a chumizwa television John Lodi Bird ama hian television a invena chuan dynamite hi chu Alfred Nobel ama mingin Nobel Prize pon semchin khuyange Nobel Prize an sem ti chuan Sweden an sema masen khuyange Nobel Peace Prize an sem an ti chuan Oslo Norway an semchin chunange bang x-ray hi banga x-ray hi answer. Question 68. Anemometer is used to measure the masabera depth of ocean thuk zong te tur chuan fathometer an mangchina fathometer an manga relative humidity ti chuan hygrometer pon ati theithawa hygrometer anita chuan atmospheric pressure ti chuan barometer hei chu all thetlai pon an zir thirna sa to barometer hei chu barometer chunenge bang wind speed hi anemometer in a measure chain. The value of 1 angstrom in micron is okay mitam takin in shianga a chunga bl om chuan angstrom nia angstrom hi ange ti chuan micron hi 10 to power minus 6 ania nano kan ti chuan 10 to power minus 9 ania chuan angstrom kan ti chuan 10 to power minus 10 ani shin so hemi angstrom hi 10 to power minus 10 ania mitam takin man motokin the value of 1 angstrom what a value of 1 angstrom is 10 to power minus 10 in lomi tia an chuak dei zel exam train mo am ju question dang an end dei trina hemi hi diklau hemi answer in lo ajan ju question a bracket in micron 90 10 to power minus 10 hi micron form a kan ziak don and thing kan ziak don 10 to power minus 10 hi tiang hen kan ziak them 10 to power minus 4 multiplied by 10 to power minus 6 kan ti theitro third and indices a po khan hemi hi ka explain to hata a unit meter ania hata po hen meter ania 10 to power minus 4 hi tian kan tiang a chon 10 to power minus 6 hi ange ti chon micron mo micron hei tihian hemi answer onachu hemi 10 to power minus 4 zoki answer and don the longest railway station in India is India Rama railway station Saber enge ti chon New Delhi railway station ani lawa Sialda railway station hemi Kolkata ma Sialda hemi point lawa Ernakulam hin lawa Kerala ma Gorakhpur railway station hi Uttar Pradesh a omta hemi hi a Saber exam aron chua chon Gorakhpur railway station kan ti dona maseng tuna takhian Gorakhpur railway station ipon sei tuna an sameka an siam meka under construction ni mek chuchu Karnataka oma chana mingchu Hubbali railway station ania mingchuma chuchu Karnataka tuna under construction ni mek maseng exam aron chua chon Gorakhpur railway station. The Kioledio National Park is situated in which of the following state? Kioledio National Park tijan answer Madhya Pradesh kan tikang Kioledio National Park hi aming danganai chuchu ange tijan Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary anita hemi sanctuary ania hemi hi Madhya Pradesh a Gujarat eng park nge tijan Gir National Park oma Rajasthan eng National Park nge famous do tijan Ranthambore ania Assam eng National Park nge tijan Orang oma Kaziranga ania Manas ania hemi hi kaji ke number 3 a po khan kashil to chewa Avain National Park zongjong kha ke explain to where is the national cancer tuna ama sabera I cancer World Cancer Day hi entik nge ti chuan February nilia an celebrate ta tuna option Cancer Research Institute anita answer hi Mumbai ania Kolkata chuan Archaeological Survey of India oma Kataka Rice oma Nutritious Research Institute oma Hyderabad. Dayanand Saraswati was the founder of which of the following mission? Dayanand Saraswati Khan Arya Samaj siyama. Go back to the Vedas slogan so itu poha Dayanand Saraswati nia. Chuna dang pathum poi discuss lokila Chinmaya mission hi tunge muchuak tu le tunge start tu ti chuan tunge founder ti chuan Chinmaya Nanda Saraswati Chinmaya Nanda Saraswati ama hian Dayanand Saraswati in Arya Samaj siam danang chi khan ani pon Chinmaya mission asiama chimza Brahma Samaji Raja Ram Mohan Roy Raja Ram Mohan Roy khan Brahma Samaj siama chan Pratna Samaji Atmaram Pandurangin asiam chan kan answer chu Arya Samaji kan answer the note siam zelolomo short note in siam hian in exam don in hey lekhabu apum puichuan in chiar le don lo short note in siam ho zong kha hun rei lo te a chumi short note ho chuan I help don lu tukta apui don lu tuk chewa chuwangin I short note te siamula khoshan in shia thiam lo te hi le in thiam thelo hi note pakhata copy pakhat siamula note pakhata ziak thlaula chuan maths formula te maths concept po hi pen sen le pen dum hi kolula chumi pen chuan note siam chun la thaber thina attractive le zirponwam revise ponwam. Where is the headquarter of Food and Agriculture Organization? Food and Agriculture Organization tichon hemi Roma oma headquarter hi Rome hi eng capital nge tichon Italy capital anita Rome hi mo chon Vienna nge tichon International Atomic Energy Agency oma chon OPEC po oma Geneva chon International Labour Organization oma chimza World Trade Organization po headquarter Geneva oma chuan World Meteorological Organization po Geneva oma chuan Montreal chuan ICAO headquarter oma ICAO hi enge ti chuan International Civil Aviation Organization ania ICAO hi mo. So our answer will be Rome hi can answer. Tuna 75. Which Indian state has the highest number of Lok Sabha constituencies? India rama chuan mishing tamber omna. India rama eng state ange mishing tamber anom ti chuan Uttar Pradesh ania. Maseng enge zau ber ti chuan Rajasthan. Tuna Maharashtra Lok Sabha seat enzat nge om ti chuan Somli le Pariya to oma. Andhra Pradesh enzat nge om ti chuan Somli le Panga oma. West Bengal Somli le Pani oma. Uttar Pradesh Lok Sabha Somriya to om. Mizoram kanoma Mizoram enzat nge Lok Sabha ti chuan pakhat Raj Sabha ti chuan pakhat. Nagaland po Lok Sabha pakhat Raj Sabha pakhat. Who was the first political personality to discuss the concept of poverty line? Dadabai Noroji in book pakhat Aziaka chumi book ming chu apoimo vemo I englo exam vela pon lo zotrina poverty and un-British rule in India. Hemi book hi larvia chan exam apo anlo zot na savetrin. Question dangan zotai. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Tichuan Dadabhai Noroji. Grand Old Man of India tipon. Amahi a answer. Chun midang tahi Mahatma Gandhi chu inshiyanga father of nation niya. Chun Indian Independence Day movement primary leader ani bokani non-violent civil disobedience titpo engkim amavek khania. Chun Rajan Prasad chu inshiyanga India rama president masaberania chuan kumsang khatle zakua somruk pania khan Bharat Ratna highest civilian award kan ti chini Bharat Ratna kha dong masaber Paul anive Raja Ram Mohan Roy hi angen ti chin father of Indian Renaissance and the chain. Tuna question number 77 ahan mycology in tetro mycology chu I fungi poti the hemi hi answer nya fungi hi cell ti chuan enge answer cytology is the study of cell anya tissue ahian histology hi enge ti chuan study of tissue chuna palina hi dermatology is the study of skin. What is the capital of Uganda? Uganda hi East Africa ram anita chan Uganda capital chu masabara adang tahi Honolulu hi ange Honolulu hi Hawaii capital anita Kigali hi Rwanda capital in African ram ne mate Tanzania ania hami hi Tanzania capital chu Dodoma ania chan amasaber Kampala inti hi hami hi Uganda capital ania. The rock shelters of Bhimbetka is located in which state of India? Bhimbetka rock shelter chu Madhya Pradesh ang thilnge om khadang I famous the Khajuraho temple po hi koyange om Madhya Pradesh chen kan question to berchu Satriya is one of the Indian classic dance form originated from which state? Satriya hi Bihu omna koyange Bihu and celebrate chen Assam. So our answer will be Assam. When a video ti top ma in I total 8 dance form kan neya ama sabera chon hemithili in notebook azi akula ka request sewa asan je mi of important lutuk hemithili mo kuchi pudi anita palina chu Odyssey ania 5 chu Kathakali ania 6 chu Satriya kan previous question answer ina 7 hi Manipuri John 8 chu Mohini Attam hemi te pariat hi I Indian classical dance form anita Bharatnatyam hi khoi mi nge ti chuan khoya nge an celebrate ti chuan Tamil Nadu nia chuan Kathak North India an celebrate ta North India nia chuan Kuchipudi ti chu Andhra Pradesh ania Odissi ti chuan India nga aminga tangpon hriata Odisha ania hemi hi chuan Kathakali ti chuan Kerala ania Kerala Kathakali hi Kshatriya chu Assam ania chuan Manipuri chu aminga tang hriat Manipur ania nga hemi hi chuan to berami Mohiniyattam po hi Kerala ami Kerala hemi important mo tiang kan zia kang important a 5-star ne caution in munge nge don eng example ni se mo tiang caution ni heta tang hian caution an zot nge don ka video general knowledge number 5 in lo endon ya kalome